Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, you guys already know the drill. Do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel a lot and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer for you guys, and that is, if on this channel, anything that I say is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $965.4 billion. We are down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38%. Looking at the overall markets, you guys can see in the last 1 to 24 hours, you guys can see a lot of red is within the market. So that's something to note right now. So not too much excitement has been happening. We have seen BTC take a little bit of a retracement, causing the entire cryptocurrency market to obviously react as well. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that has been gaining steam, and you want to watch this video till the absolute end, because it could be very jam-packed and we could see what's happening for this specific coin in the next upcoming days. And that project is none other than Terra Luna Classic USD, as well as better known as USTC. All right, if we are looking at the USTC price right now, it is currently trading at 4.1 cents, up a staggering 19% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. So that's definitely something nice to point out for you guys. And in the BTC comparative, it's up 20.9%. So that's definitely nice to see. Clearly, it is outperforming the overall market. So if you are holding some USTC, you are making some gains right now. Market cap right now is sitting at $411 million, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $201.7 million. So, the 24-hour trading volume is very impressive. It's, half the market cap. So something definitely nice to point out for you guys. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last 14 days, it's up 50.1%. And in the last 7 days, it's up 30.1%. So definitely gains are being made with USTC right now. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. What is happening with the price of USTC and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So that's exactly what I'm going to bring for you guys right now. So this is the time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame right now. You guys can see USTC has seen quite a bit of a pump within its price right now. Yesterday on October 9th, it was just at that 3 cents mark. If you picked up some USTC around that mark, you are already up as of now 40%, as I have mentioned. So that was a nice time to be picking up some USTC. But this is the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to zoom into it and show you a better picture as to what really is going on and which targets USTC really needs to clear before we start heading towards higher highs. So as you guys can see, as I mentioned, we did see quite a bit of a bounce, but over the past, month and a half, we did see USTC make few bounces. You can see back on June 29th, we saw the price go up all the way to 9.7 cents. And then we saw a retracement happen. Once again, people took profits. And once again, we are seeing USTC on September 9th had a breakout to that 8 cents mark. And this time around, once again, we are seeing a third attempt for a pump towards the upside. You guys know USTC and Terra Luna Classic are very much correlated, and right now what I'm seeing is that a lot of profits from Luna Classic are coming into USTC. There's a lot of talks happening over the past couple months now. A lot of people are saying Terra Luna Classic is going to reclaim where it used to be. A lot of people, including some from the Terra Luna camp, are coming in saying that USTC is going to stabilize itself at that dollar. Again, it's going to repeg once again at that dollar, and it's going to be a community work together. Everyone's going to come together, work together to get to this point. Is that a possibility? Definitely is not out of the woods. I'm not writing it off. It could definitely happen, because again, this is cryptocurrencies. Nothing is uncapable, nothing is incapable of happening in the crypto space, is what I'm trying to say right now to you guys. And if that were to happen, buying around these prices, you could see a massive gain. But at the same time, there's quite a bit of risk that is involved in it. And, obviously there's a lot of speculation. Am I holding any USTC? Yes, I am holding some USTC, but because like I said, this is cryptocurrencies. a lot can happen in a short, amount of time. But is this rally over, or do we really have what it takes to retest the zone, that 9.9 cents, which we just saw a few months ago? If we do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that would mean a move of about 125% from the current price levels for us to reclaim that price point. Is that a possibility? It definitely is a possibility. But one thing to keep in mind right now is that Bitcoin is hanging at some critical price points, which I have been covering on my channel for quite some time. Bitcoin at the end of the day is a leading indicator right now, and no matter what project it is, if it's Luna Classic or USTC, whichever altcoin you can name, it is going to be impacted if BTC does see a retracement. And right now BTC is still holding in that 78.6 Fibonacci zone. If we do lose this support line, we could be in for 15k BTC, which is going to have a major impact on the entire crypto space. So that is something definitely to keep in mind. But let's say BTC still stays stagnant and trades sideways, and most importantly starts heading back towards this 22k mark, we could see some positive things happen with Terra Luna Classic, which is obviously going to have an impact on USTC coin as well. And we could see USTC reclaiming the 10 cents mark or even above that. And is that a possibility? Like I said, it definitely is a possibility, because I have mentioned, we are seeing Terra Luna Classic literally trending everywhere right now. The community's coming together, and they are trying to really build this community together and restructure it and reclaim for what it used to be. Obviously, what happened with Terra Luna Classic was very unfortunate. A lot of investors lost a lot of money, and my heart goes to them. But this goes to show that you always want to be taking in profits and always investing what you can afford to lose, because a lot of dangerous things can happen. A lot of manipulators can manipulate the price, and that is just not in the control of anyone. And obviously the investors have to face that, and that's just a risk that we take when we are investing in crypto. But like I said, always invest what you can afford to lose. But now what the community is trying to do is to really rebuild this project where it used to be, because a lot of investors really did lose hope. A lot of people lost hope on USTC Luna Classic. People think it's over, but what the community is trying to do is come together and really try to show others that it is possible to rebuild this project. And that's what's going on. And Twitter's literally going absolutely nuts right now with Luna Classic as well as USTC. And if this hype really does continue and BTC really starts to heading towards the upside, we could really see a major shift of like something absolutely that we have never seen in the crypto space. And I am very optimistic that we could see something happen that is going to be crazy for Terra Luna Classic. But like I said, only time is going to tell as to what happens. But right now my target would be, the immediate short-term target would be that 8 cents mark, which we just saw on September the 8th. And we will go from there. But if you are, sitting in some profits, you want to be locking in these profits right now, because at the end of the day, we are in a bear market. So if you're sitting at some massive profits right now, lock them in, because consolidation and corrections are going to occur, and you can always scale back in. But at the end of the day, that's just a tip to you guys. You guys do what works for you. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 41.28%. So nothing much has changed with that. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys do want more coverage on USTC. I will definitely bring that for you guys. And that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto Z.